Okay, today I'm changing the air filter and spark plug on the Coleman KT196 go-kart. This right here is the air filter box. Let's take that off. Really simple. Just unscrew this here. By the way, Amazon, I'll put the link in the description. The air filter and spark plug come together as a little kit, so really simple. So I unscrewed the bolt at the top, took this cover off. This is the air filter, just take that off. Here's the new filter, brand new. We'll take that plastic off. And all you do is, oh, I heard a little bolt there, but that's okay. We got the bolts. Just put that right at top there. We'll put that on top. And it came with a brand new nut, bolt, whatever you want to call it. So we'll use the new one. I won't use the old one. Put the cover right back on top. Perfect. And let's get that right on. Air filter complete. Let's do the spark plug. Okay, the spark plug is right next to the air filter, right below. Here's this rubber boot. You just want to slide that off. And that's the spark plug right there. Okay, I got a different ratchet piece. This one's size 21. Let's see if this one works. The last one was too big. Oh yeah, it's unscrewing right away. I don't even need a pair of pliers. I might need it. Let's see. Okay. There we go. Okay. Think I could do the rest by hand. Little bit of an awkward spot, but it's okay. Alright, keep going, almost there. There we go. And that's the spark plug, guys. We'll put a brand new one in. Okay, I took the new one out the bubble wrap. Looks like it's gapped. It should be pre-gapped already. I gotta double check the link, but it looks equivalent. So let's put this new one in. And all you're doing is screwing the new one right in. I'll do it by hand first, and then with the ratchet piece, I'll make sure it's secure, it's tight. Maybe I'll just put it in now so I can turn it. There we go. Just seems to be getting stuck at times. I don't know why, but all right, we're rolling. Okay, that's tight there. I'll give it one little turn. Perfect. Get this ratchet piece off. My hand, if it's tight enough, which I think it is. I think so. I think it's good enough. Put that boot back on. And there you have it. Air filter spark plug. It's all done. It's easy.